how to install Eurovision Song Contest app. So just tap on the cloud and then or just tap to get, and then you will just be able to download official Eurovision Song Contest app. So yeah, I think here with this app you will be able to vote. However, you can also just follow the the competition, and then you can read some news, watch some videos, and then you can just enable notifications, and then you can see some results. And yeah, so here you can see some social elements, some Instagram feed, some scoreboard. Create your own scoreboard, see all the participants, see the participants for this first semifinal, second semifinal, for the final, and then hopefully you can also vote here in the app. So I would suggest you to pre-install this app before the final. Maybe there will be probably might be some technical bugs or issues when everyone tries to get it. So just install it before, and then yeah, here you can just see all of the previews. And yeah, that's basically the idea. Hopefully you can also vote in the app, but it's not available and it's not open yet. So there you have it.